What up guys, Luke from the Suns. Okay, so I had a couple of hours that I could spare this morning before I get into leatherwork this afternoon. Since Ahsoka, a lot of people have shown a lot of interest in the Anakin spin, okay? It's been given a lot of names, the Obi-Annie, I believe Michelle C. Smith calls it the twist and flip. We call it the Anakin. So what I thought I'd do today is show you how we do the Anakin. It's a very different to what everyone's used to, but when you get it down and you get it nice, it feels quite sexy. It's lovely. So I hope it's easy to understand, and I'm just about to watch, after I do this, I'm going to sit down and watch the Ahsoka finale, so I'm very excited. So guys, let's all enjoy Star Wars again. It's fun, lightsabers are cool again. Here we go, enjoy. Okay, so before we learn the Anakin, there's another spin we have to learn first. It is called the moulinet, which means little windmill in French, okay? So, when you do it, you stand with your feet shoulder width apart, comfortable, feet facing forward, okay? Now the secret to spinning is to not grip the saber, okay? I recommend if you're doing this, do not do this with your $2,000 KR Sabers flagship, okay, that's full of electronics. Our sabers, they're made for this stuff, right? Try and get yourself a stunt saber and find someone who can install it in a way that it's in a chassis and relatively protected, because to learn to spin properly, you have to be willing to let go and let the saber do the work, okay? So I'll explain for righties and lefties, okay? Righties, arm in front of you, outside of your body line, fingers pointing towards the front, and you are holding the saber in that little pocket, okay? Bam. You turn your fingers and wrist inward. Now, you don't move your elbow, it's all hand and wrist. So you let the saber fall forward, wave at the sky in the middle, and it comes back up, okay? Point, turn, forward, round the outside, up. When we teach, litany is important, so say the words with me. Right, feet shoulder width apart, excellent. Fingers forward, turn your wrist, forward, round the outside, up. You let the saber fall, saber first, hand follows, nice and soft and gentle. To do this properly, you have to know the balance of your weapon. This is something you need to learn. Ours are pretty balanced, so because this is what they're made to do. For the left, same but different. Arm straight, little bent. Point your fingers forward. Let's move back here a bit. Turn the fingers and wrist to the inside, forward, around the outside, up. Turn, forward, around the outside, up. Okay, practice that. Nice and soft, nice and slow. You will have a tendency to want to throw the saber. If you do it properly, you let the weight of the saber do the work. I am putting zero effort into this. The only thing I do is the turn, gets it over. Turn. Yep, beautiful. Okay, now the Anakin. All right, so we do a moulinet to the front. This is just to get comfortable. Turn, forward, round, up. Now, you can do exactly the same spin in a different direction. So bring your arm out just past your shoulder, so it is to your side. Point towards your front, forward, round the outside, up. Okay, so it's a side moulinet. Turn, forward, round the outside, up. That's the first part of the Anakin. Turn, forward, round, up. Now, notice I'm not gripping the saber. I'm not grabbing it, my fingers are off. Turn your wrist over and bring the back of your hand to the top of your bum. Imagine there's a train line running from the top of your bum to your belt buckle. You go choo-choo, point the saber at the ground, pommel makes a rainbow over, so you finish at your start position. Turn, forward, round up, back of hand to bum, choo-choo, rainbow. Moulinet, back of hand to bum, choo-choo, rainbow. And just keep practicing it. Do it slow, right? Get into a groove. Spinning is a groove. It's not a whipping around and doing 100 miles an hour. The beauty of what we do, which is like a flow, is you can sit there and do whatever spin you want. And it's all nice and smooth and seamless. Right, that was a bit wobbly. There we go, that's better. Right. And you bring it around, mirror, so on and so forth. But the secret to doing spins is in hips, okay? So we start feet facing forward, chest facing this way. Up here, do your Moulinet, back of hand to bum. Gets heaps easier because the shoulder's round. Now, keep your hand sort of here, twist with your hip, twist it round, drop it to ground, hip pulls it over. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Do it nice and slow at first, get to know the spin. It's the best way to do it, man, because speed hides mistakes. So we'll leave it there. I hope that helped. If you've got any questions, hit us up down below. This will be going up on our YouTube channel, Sons of Obi-Wan, www.sonsofobi1.com. I'm going to go and watch Ahsoka, guys. Peace out. Bye.